of Lord Shiva inside Elementa caves? So the answer for that would be Shiva. The next one, again under history of architecture it is. We are almost towards the end of the questions of history of architecture. A gigantic chariot with elaborately carved stone wheels, pillars and walls are the characteristics of dash. So which of these structures they're asking is in the form of a huge chariot with huge wheels. I'm sure you all know it. It is also printed onto the currency notes of a country. So the structure, the temple which has carved stone wheels and pillars, that options, let us see the options. Dilwara Jain temple. Dilwara temple is a Jain temple actually. Konark Sun temple, Golden temple which is in Amritsar, and Meenakshi temple which is in Madurai. You can remember the locations actually, that can be helpful for you. Meenakshi temple at Madurai, Golden temple in Amritsar, Konark Sun temple obviously is in Konark which is in Odisha, and Dilwara temple is in Rajasthan. So basically the correct answer for this question would be the Konark Sun temple, option number 2. Rajasthan, Gujarat is very famously known for the Jain temple architecture, wherein you have this Dilwara Jain temple also falls into that category. However, the temple which is carved in the form of huge say chariot, that is Konark Sun temple, which is not a functional temple anymore. You can find the pictures of all the 4 temples which are given in the options over here. This is the Golden temple at Amritsar, Meenakshi temple at Madurai. This is the Konark Sun temple. You can see those huge stone wheels carved onto the surface of it. This is dedicated to the sun god with a huge chariot and huge wheels. So that is the answer for the given question. What is over here? This is Dilwara Jain temple located in Dilwara.